Welcome. This demo is part of a set of demos showcasing research in the area of adaptive multilingual information retrieval for customer support. Adaptive multilingual information retrieval is one of the themes being explored as part of CNGL's personalized multilingual customer care demonstrator. This particular demo showcases work on query recovery, which improves quality of retrieved results. Information retrieval is concerned with finding documents matching a query which expresses a user's information need. Documents which satisfy this information need are called relevant documents. Monolingual information retrieval means that the user query and documents are in the same language. For example, a user might search for documents about localization in a set of English documents. In contrast, cross-language information retrieval is concerned with finding documents in one language when the query is given in another language. For example, looking for English documents with the German query term Lokalisation. Typically, users do not enter full natural language queries to express their information need. Instead, they enter 2 or 3 keywords in lowercase, and they do not use stop words such as prepositions or articles in their queries. For cross-language information retrieval, this means that important context is missing, which is needed to accurately translate a query. For example, the English word office can be translated into German as Büro, or it is not translated at all if it is part of the proper noun Microsoft Office. We propose a new method called query recovery, which restores capitalization information and adds stop words to keyword queries to obtain a more well-formed query which is better suited for query translation. We are going to use the following settings for the demonstration. We select English as source language, and we enable query recovery. We can ignore the rest of the settings as they deal with different functionalities of the systems which will not be demonstrated here. The search is performed on technical help desk data. Let's say we want to find out how to configure Microsoft Office. Instead of entering all these query terms, we would just enter a few keywords which can be simulated here by pre-processing the query. So all of these words are in lowercase, even the proper noun Microsoft Office. Then we submit the query. We employ a simple but effective approach for query recovery. We train the method on a large document collection and restore capitalization by choosing the most frequent capitalized variant of the word. And to recover stop words between keywords, we insert the most frequent stop word sequence between two words. As a fallback strategy, we add the empty sequence between two words, assuming that these unseen words form a phrase, and we add the word in its capitalized form, assuming that unknown words not occurring in the training data are proper nouns. In the result display, we focus only on the top, which shows different levels of query transformation. So we see here, after query recovery, all the words in the query have been capitalized, which is correct when it comes to the proper noun Microsoft Office. So the German translation is also likely to be correct and will not contain the translation into Bureau. An evaluation of query recovery on a standard English and German benchmarking dataset has already shown that query recovery not only improves the quality of query translation, which is typically measured in terms of BLEU and NIST scores, but it also significantly improves retrieval effectiveness in terms of precision and recall, which means you get better quality results. As part of future work for query recovery, We want to investigate if it can be treated as a translation problem. That is, we want to apply standard machine translation technology, such as language modeling, to train the query recovery model. In addition, we want to apply the approach to other languages. Thank you for listening.